Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel, Glam Girl. Today, I'll tell you a face mask secret that's about to redefine your skincare routine. The glowing effects from the face mask come from the combined benefits of exfoliation, brightening, hydration, and cleansing. Combine rice flour, gram flour, rose water, and milk to form a paste. Apply this mixture to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off for a natural glow. The combination of these ingredients can help nourish and brighten your skin, while the face mask can provide immediate benefits, like skin hydration and a temporary glow. Significant and lasting changes usually require consistent use over time. Instant effects may include improved skin texture and a refreshed appearance. For noticeable and sustained improvements, consider incorporating the mask into your skincare routine regularly. Glow confidently, because beauty begins with the choice to shine. False Glow Mask, illuminate your radiance. Please subscribe.